If you want it,
Nation All-Stars.
got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back. Get it on. Everybody got you covered.
Nation All-Stars.
All right. Run it. Oh we are in a political situation because the economy to fall down. Don't worship and tell them, Jedi. Wanted one with George Bush, he running on the Middle East, and now the economy needs a push. Everything sky high, it's now something I ever wanna live a better youth and life. People of the ghetto, why you open up your eye? Just in John, a politician, make them lie. Next to Jedi, yes, All-Stars.